I love this dog. Ain't no more.
What are you doing?
Oh, look at his face.
Legs.
Oh my god. Chloe, look at his legs. Dan.
Oh no.
Demi, you need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone. Look, he's gone.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Top 10 dogs that I would pet instead of my dog. None. Because I love only Bella, and I only want to pet her.